Here's my legal analysis of the Tyreek Hill body cam footage that was released by Miami PD yesterday as a former federal prosecutor. Florida is a stop and ID state, which means Hill had to roll down his window for police officers and identify himself, which he did with his driver license. Hill said he wasn't disrespectful, and a lot of people on social media disagree because he told the police officer not to knock on his window. As far as the law is concerned, it does not matter. Being rude or disrespectful to the police is not against the law. And even though I advise people not to do so because it may unnecessarily escalate things, it's not against the law. The question I'm getting is, was Hill allowed to roll his window up? And the answer is probably not. Officers can demand to see Hill's hands, and they arguably can't do so through the window. Even if the tint complied with Florida law, and I'm not sure it did, officers can demand that the window be down for safety reasons. But regardless of the window issue, police officers have the right to demand that someone exit their vehicle during a traffic stop. The Supreme Court has made this clear. So if Hill refused to exit his vehicle, he can be arrested. So the big question in the case is, did Hill refuse to get out of the car? I think the answer is no, and that's why officers got it wrong. Hill repeatedly said that he's getting out of the car, so it wasn't necessary for officers to force him out, place him on the street, and cuff him. And when Hill was already cuffed and telling officers he had surgery on his knee, they forced him to the ground. Hill wasn't trying to resist arrest or flee, so that was excessive and unnecessary force.